Hi, this is Edie with the Little House of Beans. Today we will be making a keto fruit cake. Now this is a great recipe all year round. Just so happens that it is in time for the holidays. The recipe will be in the description below, and I would love to hear your comments on how I can modify it or how you choose to bake it. Let me know. So please click that like button, hit that notification bell, and please subscribe to the Little House of Beans. Let's get cooking.